Hi, welcome back to TechVentures. My name is Lazina and I'm the Technical Marketing Engineer at Future Electronics. In our last episode, I covered the Compagno board. If you're interested in checking out that video, then please click the link on the screen or check out the description box below. Today I'm not going to be talking about any sensors, but I wanted to talk about a wireless radio for a change, the GNSS module on the Compagno board, which was created and designed by our very own engineering team. Not only can GNSS modules help you navigate your way around town, but they can also help with monitoring and tracking anything from as large as your cargo shipping container to something as small as your furry friends. For those of you who know Future Electronics, my location isn't exactly a mystery, and although I'm working from the office today, most of my friends are still working from home due to the COVID-19 pandemic. And today I want to check in on a very good friend of mine, Sam Siegel, who is the Future Connectivity Solutions Wireless Specialist.
Hey Sam, nice to see you. How are you?
Hey Lazina, I'm doing well. How about you?
I'm doing great. I can see that you have your Compagno board out.
I do, yeah. It's a pretty quick and easy way to evaluate a bunch of cool different sensors. And with the STM32 Cube environment, I can dive into the code base and see how it all works.
Yes, absolutely. And what kind of applications do you think the Compagno board is good for?
Well, it's a great starting point for any asset tracking or environmental monitoring design. But with all the different sensors and connectivity options on board, the sky wire's the limit.
Yes, you are correct. Speaking of wireless radios and sensors, did you know that there's a GNSS module on board, the Teseo-LIV3F?
Yeah, that little guy there. Yeah, it's a cool card. I'm a big fan.
Oh yeah, and what do you like about it?
Well, it's got sort of a de facto industry standard footprint, so it's a good second source for a lot of designs. It's pretty cost competitive for the features on board. And one of those features, there's a bunch of flash on board, so it can be used for data logging, or you can store up to a week's worth of autonomous assistance data on board.
Fantastic. I can see why you're a big fan. Those are important qualities for a GNSS module.
Definitely.
Yeah. So it's been a really long time since we've seen each other. Where are you? Do you think we could hang out?
I mean, that's going to be tough right now with the pandemic and all. But I can turn on my Compagno board and share my location with you.
Well, it's not quite exactly the same thing, but you know what? I'll take it. Did you know that there are two ways to read the GNSS values off the Compagno board?
Well, I know of one for sure.
And which is?
Well, if I open up my terminal program, I can just use the GPS read command, and there you go. My coordinates are on screen.
I can see the numbers, but unfortunately it's kind of meaningless to me as I don't know cartography.
Yeah, okay, I can see how that might be a little annoying. You mentioned there's a second way to share my location with you?
Yes, through Scripter. Scripter gives us the opportunity to check in on our assets from anywhere and anytime. So I have my Scripter dashboard open in the background, and if I go into my device directory, I can create a token that's unique to you, and this way I'll know that it's you. So it's pretty easy to create. I'm just going to fill in the ID field and give you a name. So I'm going to pick Sam Win Compagno. I'm going to leave this blank. And it's as simple as that. And now Scripter has generated a token that's unique. So I'm going to copy the token over here and share it with you in the chat.
Okay, yeah, so I got the token. I've already got my device connected to Scripter. I followed your TechVenture video 1 to do that. And then just the step where we do Scripter token write, I think I just enter the token you shared.
Correct.
And then the Wi-Fi Scripter host should show up on your dashboard.
Yeah, a device has shown up on my dashboard and it looks like it's in Seattle.
Yeah.
Is that correct?
I'm just a little north of there.
And I can see that you're right by the water.
Mm-hmm.
Temperature is looking great. Is it like 26 degrees?
Yeah, well, we call that 78 degrees, but yeah, it's comfy.
Well, I know where my next destination will be once the pandemic is over.
Oh, well, you're welcome to stop by anytime, except for right now. I've got a meeting that I got to get to. So
All right, nice seeing you, Sam.
nice
Take
seeing
care.
you. Yeah, have a good one.
If you want to learn more about the Compagno board or ST Microelectronics' GNSS modules, then please contact your local Future Electronics representative or visit us at futureelectronics.com. Let me know what you'd like to learn about next. Leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next episode of TechVentures with Lazina.